Technology news. More and more analysts predict that Apple is still preparing the successor to its popular affordable iPhone SE smartphone. What to expect? Well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, claims that the iPhone SE2 will receive the design of iPhone 8. On the renderings, we see a rather thick frame and a round home button with a built-in fingerprint scanner Touch ID. On the rear panel is a single main camera, which rises slightly above the surface. According to rumors, even despite one module, the camera will shoot at the level of modern flagships. It became known why the release of the budget iPhone SE2 is very profitable for Apple. Together with the old design, iPhone SE2 should get a new stuffing. We are talking about the A13 chip, which is used in the models of the iPhone 11. In addition, the smartphone is credited with a 4.7-inch LCD display, 3 GB of RAM, a Lightning connector, and not USB-C. When? Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the iPhone SE2 will be released in the first quarter of 2020. But there is no official information about him yet.